We each have 10 days. 10th of January is deadline. Both of us make a video, as in I make one to put on my channel, you make one, featuring photography elements. A good size vid.
You're on. Okay, so the plan was simple. We were going to use a fan to make cotton candy. Now the way a cotton candy machine works is it's got a little bucket, you pour it in, and it stretches out sugar. So we put a desk fan on its side, we take off the cage, we take off the blades, we add a bucket, and we add like a little tin, pour the sugar into that, and then it will fling the candy. It will fling the melted sugar into cotton candy. We need a bucket.
That's it. That's it.
I need something round is like the main thing. So I was thinking like a bucket. Whoa, we found it, guys. Get the Weezer bucket.
The weight.
I don't know if this is big enough. Oh my god.
That's the one right there.
I think that's it. We can go now. That's what I want. That'll be my one. Where did I park the car? I got a drill. This is small as I could get it. The drill bit. As it spins, the sugar will be pushed up against the wall and it will fly through the hole and get flung out to make cotton candy. That's how cotton candy machine works. Oh. Okay, we're done. Okay, so. Oh. Just comes off. That's good, that. Why there's so many ants? Might be particularly. Anyway.
Off. So that's how you can cut the blades off.
Hey?
So, but I'll put it back so you can video it.
Off. Yeah, that will do. That does something.
Oh, that will take that off. The wire off, you'll be able to get, and then that'll end up sitting on there.
This is not it. Wait. Oh my god, I'm a genius. If I put it on the other way. Okay, now we're rolling. Get this onto here. Alright, now comes the scary bit where I fuck everything up. You ready? Oh my god, the wind blew and I did not think this was gonna stay still, but it did, so I'm thinking it's gonna work, which I'm very excited for. Update, and I'm not using the good microphone because fuck you. I'm pissing around with it, and it falls off. And it hasn't even dried a little bit. So change of plan. I'll figure it out later. Alright, so I widened the hole so it's like just big enough, so I can like just screw it on. Here it is, moment of truth. Oh my god. Dude, that looks fucking... Did you see how it like screwed itself in? Dude, that was fucking crazy. There's no way that fucking works. It's so goofy. It's so big. Anyway. I'm gonna cook today on what's so funny cooking? Hello everybody, I'm Gordon Ramsay, and today we're making methamphetamine. That's a joke. Alright. can see the cotton webs in there. Yeah, definitely.
You also gotta flavor it. Can I?
Oh my god! The spider web. What? What happened? Did it get hard?
Yes.
That's hot. Yeah, did it like harden? Does it hit this? Dude, it's like fiberglass. I think it wasn't like liquid enough. This is the fun part, the cleaning. That's really bad looking. Yeah, do you want to mix the sugars?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
That should be enough, right? Oh my god, this is...
Just don't burn it.
Oh my god. Oh. Alright, it's ready. It's not connected. Ah!
Where's the spoon?
Go.
Ooh.
How do you fucking tie it on, dude? It's like, you gotta tighten it the wrong way because the fan blades, like, don't fly off. Alright, it's ready, it's ready.
Let me on.
Oh no, this is gonna get fucked up, dude. Oh, move your hands away. This is. Oh! Dude, the smoke. Take a step back.
What did you do? Wait, it's making it. No, keep going. It was making it.
As defeated as I was by the second batch, I was running out of time and I had to get this video out. This third cook had to be perfect, so I studied the arts, and for something with only one ingredient, it was not that simple. But I read up, and I was ready this time.
Look over yonder. What do you see? The sun is rising, most definitely. A new day's coming. Ooh, people are changing. Ain't it beautiful? Ooh, crystal blue persuasion. Crystal blue persuasion. It's to new vibration. Crystal blue persuasion. Crystal blue persuasion. Maybe tomorrow, when he looks down on every green field, in every town, all of his children, every nation, there'll be peace and good brotherhood. Crystal blue persuasion. Yeah.